Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to restrict the number of simultaneous connections to a server by using FileZilla. To start with, open the FileZilla software, go to File and click on Site Manager. From this section, select the connection that you want to modify. Here, we have only one connection, so we have selected the same. Now, click on the Transfer Settings tab. Select this checkbox and enter your preferred number in the maximum number of connections field. Click on OK. That's how you can restrict the number of simultaneous connections to a server by using FileZilla. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.